Hey, welcome to hashtag straight poop. You know, my doggies, my shelties came up with a term. You guys are gonna be poopers. The viewers of hashtag straight poop. Nothing derogatory, just kind of a term of endearment. So anyway, we got something on we're gonna put it on the grill. Nice, beautiful 21-day aged filet mignon that I have marinating in cannabis oil, soy sauce, Worcestershire, salt and pepper. Pretty simple. Gonna butterfly it and then we're gonna throw it on the grill. Gonna slice it, put it on a bed of crisp arugula and some other things. And I'm gonna show you how to keep the arugula fresh. Okay, so hang loose. We'll tell you how to get your free cookbook later. We'll be right back. Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. We got this really nice, how do you say, filet mignon. Been aged. Got in a small Ziploc and I'm gonna dry it off. Okay. It's about an 8 ouncer. So let's get this out of here. It's a little baggy, throw that out. I'm not reusing it. Now what I'm gonna do is I got about 6 pieces of paper towel and I'm just simply drying it out as best I can. Okay, what this has got: soy sauce, it's got Worcestershire, it's got salt, pepper, it's got KIEF, it's got cannabis oil, and it's got a lot of chipotle hot sauce, because what's going to happen is the heat is going to dissipate. It always does. I'm going to get that on the grill. I'm going to cook it maybe 2-3 minutes aside. Then I'm going to cut it and I'm going to put it on a bed of crisp, organic baby arugula. Okay? So this is what I call salad, bloody salad. After the Black Sabbath album, Sabbath, bloody Sabbath. Okay? Keep watching, learn how you can get your free e-cookbook, 125 recipes, barbecue recipes adapted to us, people that use weed. Okay? Thanks for joining us on hashtag straight poop. We're going outside. Hang loose, we'll be right back. Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Got that beautiful filet out here. Let the coals go down a little bit. I threw some BEECHWOOD chips on there. This is going really well. Nice. Took up the marinade. That dry aged beef, man. 21 days, fantastic. Oh, more of that. Move that over. You know what? Right there. Okay, I'm gonna flip that guy and bring him on in. And then we'll slice him up and throw him on that crisp bed of arugula. So hang loose, we'll be right back, and make sure you grab your free e-cookbook. Okay? Thanks for joining us here on hashtag straight poop. We'll be right back. Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop, poopers. Hey, we got our filet mignon, and that's an 8 ounce filet. So what I did was cut against the grain in half, then I sliced it, okay? Now, I have a beautiful salad. It's arugula, strawberries, sliced in quarters, cherry tomatoes lengthwise, okay? Some pepitas. So that pepita, I believe, is a seed from like a squash. And then there's pumpkin seeds, also salted. I'm not gonna salt this, okay? What I am gonna do is I'm gonna give it a few grinds. I like a lot, but looks like it's covering. It's also a pinch of KIEF, okay? Now in this dressing here, I've got cannabis oil, okay? I've got lemon juice. Now, in a previous video, I showed you a lemon squeezer that I can't live without. It's in there. There's KIEF, there's chives that I minced very nicely. There's black pepper, and there's a shot of my favorite chipotle hot sauce. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm taking this beef and I'm dumping it in there, okay? And I wanna get some of that flavoring on that beef, just like this. Let me get that out of the way. Just like this. Okay, so it's nice and coated. Now, let's put it down here. I'll try to fan it out as best as possible. I know it's not pretty, okay, but it's gonna taste great. Now the rest of the dressing. That's why I wear gloves. Best tools of the house. Here we go, man. Okay. And get that off. Yeah, that's our arugula filet mignon salad. It's awesome. You gotta try it, even though it's ugly. Maybe you'll find a way to make it look pretty. I'm not a food artist, but it looks damn good. Make sure you get our free e-cookbook by following the prompts, the graphics, and use the keyword. It's in your email box, like immediately, okay? Not a leaflet, brochure, newsletter. 125 barbecue cannabis recipes and 230 pages. So indulge in that, that's on us. And till next time, poopers, we will see you on #StraightPoop. Try the recipes, they're great. We'll see ya.